Hi everyone, it's Ella. Today I show you the single crochet thermal stitch. I used a polypropylene thread with 3.5mm hook. Using thermal stitch, you can make pot holders, tea coasters, kitchen gloves, and many other projects. I hope you will love this video. Let's get started. At first, I'll create 15 chains. You can change the amount depending on your purpose. I'll make a tea coaster. Add one more chain for single crochet. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through. Single crochet to each chain stitch. Add one chain and insert the hook into the back loop and the front loop of the row before. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through. Back loop of the current row and front loop of the row before. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. That's it. If you repeat this, it'll over. It may be hard to see the last stitch. Just in case, you can count the stitches. Make rows in the same way. If you want to end your projects, insert the hook both front and back loop together instead of just back loop of the last row. Before the end, I will add the thread and change the color. I added the very thin pink thread. You can just yarn over together. The last stitch, find the last stitch, insert the hook, yarn over together, pull through together. Make one chain, turn your work, and another thermal stitch row. One more. Find the back loop of the last row, current row, and the front loop of the row before. Pull through together. You can apply this thermal stitch to half double crochet or double crochet or anything else. Maybe for the last row, tie the thread. And then make one chain, and I did the usual single crochet to reveal the pink color. Not just a back loop, front and back loop together. just like normal single crochet. Back loop and front loop together. I just used the last row when doing this, not the row before, just the last row, 2 loops together. I made 7 chains for the ring. And slip stitch into the last single crochet. Cut the yarn. At the very end of your thumb stitch, how about adding some color? I think it looks more lively. You can make it very quickly, but it's pretty. It's good for gifts. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy crochet, bye-bye.